are Onyx International. We are here in the Hong Kong Fair, one consecutive year, and we are glad to introduce our latest products. This one would be our Boox typewriter. As you can see, we try to differentiate of our competition, always developing new products, not just focusing on the 6 inches ones, because we strongly believe on the e-ink solution, on the e-ink industry. So for this reason, we develop different sizes. In this case, we would have a typewriter, like would be kind of a laptop, in which we have an e-ink display connected straight to the keyboard. It's not a Bluetooth connection, it's just straight. So it's not focused just on the e-readers. We go further. We think that, for example, people that is working all day long in their office with the laptops, that would be a really great tool for the sight. It wouldn't damage the sight at the end of the day. And they can work all day long with that. Besides, as we can see, it's a metal and plastic solution. In this case would be capacitive touch as the 9.7 screen, but also allow electromagnetic pen writing. We've changed a little bit of the screen of the 9.7 by introducing new speakers and also changing the tooling, the buttons. Besides that, it's also possible to disconnect and use it as a tablet, as a e-ink, as an e-reader. We can see how it's connected. So in this case, really important, when people is working in the office or at home, so we try to look for new businesses, not just the e-reader. We choose the word editor, and here we can write. So, as I said, we try to look for newest products, newest options, since we are a developer of the e-ink industry products, and for this reason, not just this one, but also our 10.3 inches or our second monitor, 13.3 inches monitor, to connect to a normal laptop or a computer, to also use it as a e-ink. Those would be one of our latest products. As we can see, it's going to be a 9.7 e-ink Carta screen. As we can see in the laptop, there is a micro USB connector to connect straight to the computer or to the charger, and besides that, we are using also a Type-C connector. Anyway, if we connect from the micro USB, since the screen is connected to the laptop, it also charges the whole two parts. What can we say about this screen? We can say that also when disconnect the display from the keyboard, we find that appears a new digital keyboard in which you can write different things. You can use it also. So we have both modes. So as we can see from the Boox Writer, is that our 9.7 Carta screen in this case would be 1200 per 825 pixel resolution. That is quite good, and we are using a CPU of it's IMAX 0.6 with 1 GB of RAM, 6 GB of storage, like the other 9.7, but also will be able a micro SD card plot for up to 32 gigabytes. As you can see, in this case works with capacitive touch, but if the customer needs to be electromagnetic, also can be possible. It works with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, and really important, the battery. The battery is a 4100 battery, in which if we leave it in standby, it lasts 20 days. Of course, if we are using it, using Wi-Fi, using all day long, it would take between 1 week and 10 days. It's really comfortable for work, also for reading. It's a really complete device, and it's really important to know that still is a prototype. We are finishing off its development, and would be ready at the beginning of 2018. Thank you very much.